everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshata and you are watching Akshata's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, let's begin making this lovely mushroom roast masala. First, I'm going to be washing my mushrooms thoroughly. Now these are the regular button mushrooms that you get in the market. Now they have a lot of dirt on them, so you have to run them under tap water and wash them thoroughly till all of the dirt goes away. Then you can just put them into a colander and just give them a thorough clean wash again. Now after that, we're just going to let all the water seep off the colander, and then we're just going to take off the stems or the stalks of the mushrooms. It's very easy to cut them. And then once you have got rid of all the stalks, all you have to do is just cut them up into cubes in this manner and keep them aside in a bowl. Now we're going to make our ginger garlic paste. So here I have about 10 or 12 cloves of garlic and half an inch of ginger, which I've just chopped up roughly. I'm going to put them into my mixer pot and I'm going to blend them and make a nice ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add this ginger garlic paste to my cubed up mushrooms, which I've transferred to a bowl. Now next I'm going to use about 5 light green chillies. I've just removed the stalks or the head of the chillies, and again I'm going to grind it to a paste, and I'm going to add this paste to my mixture. Then I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of homemade ground coriander or dhania powder. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. This is vinegar. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of vinegar. And we're going to mix all of this very well together. Now I'm also going to add a salt to taste. And after mixing all of this together, we're going to leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes to marinate. Now here I'm just going to chop out about 2 large onions and separate them this way into thin slices. And we are going to now fry these onions in some oil till they're nice and crispy and brown. So here I've taken about a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to add my onions to the oil and I'm going to fry them till they're nice and golden brown. Now while the onions are browning on a low to medium flame, I'm going to make a tomato puree of 2 tomatoes. So I washed my tomatoes thoroughly and I've cut off the heads, cut them into halves, and I'm just going to blend them in my mixer pot. Now here you can see that my onions are browning. Just keep an eye on them. Now I've also taken some fresh curry leaves and I've also taken 4 dried red chillies. Here I have a pinch of garam masala and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. This is my tomato puree and this is the juice of half a lemon. Now our onions are all ready, so I'm going to take them out in a bowl. Now to the same oil I'm going to add my marinated mushrooms with all the lovely spices that we've added, and we're going to fry this for about a minute or two. Now once our mushrooms are nice and fried, we're going to transfer them to a bowl and keep them aside. Now to the same oil, or you can just add about half a tablespoon of oil, we are now going to add our curry leaves and our dried red chillies. We're going to saute them a bit. Now this is a one-pot dish, so it's really easy to make it. Now we're going to add our tomato puree. Ensure that the tomato puree is nice and smooth and there are no pieces of tomato left in it. Give it a mix. Now I'm going to add my mushrooms back again to the pot with all the lovely spices and ginger and garlic. Mix everything well together. Now we're going to add our pepper powder. Now you can increase or decrease the amount of pepper powder according to taste. Next we're going to add our garam masala. Give all of this a nice mix. And then the lemon juice. Mix everything well together. And we're going to add our fried onions back to the dish. And I'm going to add a little bit of red Kashmiri chili powder just for the color. It gives a lovely red color. If you don't have Kashmiri red chili powder, it's okay. The color is beautiful anyway without it too, but I just love the little bit of a dark red color. And now we're just going to cook it for about a minute or two till everything blends well together. And that's it, friends. Your mushroom roast masala is all ready. You can have it with some steamed rice or some chapatis. Now, like I said before, this is just going to help you to make your, Lent season easier by me giving you all some ideas of what you can cook during this season. Now, I'm giving you all the tip for today. That is, you can make either some spicy oat pancakes or medhu vada for breakfast the next day or today. And for dinner, you can make some simple peas pulao, beetroot salad, and some yam or suran fritters. So the link to all these recipes are going to be in my description box as well as my comments box. So all you have to do is go there and just click on them and it will take you to my recipe, because I've already uploaded all these recipes on my channel. So that will just help you a bit. Thank you. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's Recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.